Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Welcome back to another video. To God be the glory. I now have over 1,000 subscribers. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Today I'm making some chicken cordon bleu. And here are the ingredients that I will be using. We have some chicken, some ham. We have some Japanese breadcrumbs, Japanese style breadcrumbs. I'm showing you the package. So yeah, well, you do have to get but yeah, you need the Japanese breadcrumbs. So here I have my chicken, and of course you guys know I have to season my chicken. Some people don't season their chicken for this recipe. Do you, boo? And I do's me. So yes, I'm just putting some all-purpose seasoning on there and some salt, because you know we don't want no fresh food. So don't add too much, just do a little something. And now we are going to rub it in. Just give it a nice little rub a dub. Yes, Vibes, go in and rub the seasoning on there. And next, here comes the exciting part. So I placed the chicken on some cling film and then cover it with another piece of cling film, because we're gonna beat it up. This is the only time we're gonna get violent on this channel. Let's beat up that chicken because we're trying to get it nice and flat. So yes, don't use the part that you use to tenderize the meat going on the other side. So now that we are done beating up that chicken breast, by the way, sorry, yes, we are using 2 chicken breasts. Now we're gonna add some Dijon mustard. So go in with the mustard. You want to get it all over that nice piece of chicken breast right there, looking so juicy-licious. So get it all over it. And then we're gonna go in with some smoked paprika. I guess if you want to use the regular paprika, that's okay. So now we're using some black pepper. Go in with some black pepper, because we said pepper the chicken. And now I'm using some ham. This is sweet ham. What was honey ham? This was honey ham. So guys, you can use any amount of ham. If you want to put 2 slices of cheese, go in with whatever you like. This day I felt for 1 slice. I didn't want to, you put too much. Nah, just, moderation right here. Just today. But otherwise, we going in. So roll that up. Make sure you roll it tight. And now we're going to roll it into the cling film. And we're going to set it in the fridge for 1 hour. This way it is set, like we don't have to use the other method. I'm going to show you the other method. So just fold it under and set it aside in the fridge for 1 hour. Now here I'm going to show you the next method. So just as before, you beat it up, right? Get it nice and flat. And then we're gonna add, look at it, so well seasoned, you nice piece of breast, you. So we're gonna add some Dijon mustard, right? And then we're gonna go in with the paprika. I played too much. So yes, we're gonna go in with the Dijon mustard, however much you like, and then we're going to add the paprika. Guys, make sure, so yeah, add your black pepper, because you want the thing to taste good, right? Make sure when you put your ham and your cheese and you're rolling, after all of that, make sure that you wash your hand. We are not into any decontamination. We're not about no contamination around here, right? So wash your hand after each time you roll and go through. So for this method now, this is for when you don't have time. You just want to roll and go. So I'm going to use a toothpick. I'm using 3 toothpicks. And I'm going to stick it in there to hold it together. The other method is for when you have time. You roll it tight, then wrap it in the cling film, put it in the fridge for 1 hour. Here they are, the both ways. And yeah, you're gonna get the same results, just that one is for when you don't really have time. So we're gonna season our egg, breadcrumbs, and our flour. It's plain flour, not self-rising flour. So here I'm adding some all-purpose seasoning. Next I'm going in with a little bit of salt, and then of course, just like we did with the chicken, I'm going in with some black pepper, because guys, I mean, everywhere, every bite I take, I need flavors just to be bursting, popping out everywhere. Like, hey, where you there? Who are you? Who are you? Yes, yes, yes. Taste, taste, taste. So yeah. So combine everything really nice, because you don't want a clump of black pepper, you don't want a clump of seasoning. No, so make sure you combine well. And for the egg, just whisk it up. Whisk, 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 and get that seasoning all up in there and nice. And then we're gonna go in now with our nicely wrapped chicken and just roll it in the egg. Roll it, roll it, roll it. And then, so it's egg, flour, right? Roll it in the flour. Then back to the eggs. Back to the eggs. So yes, guys, this is kind of messy, right? Messy, but guess what? Your taste buds are going to be like, thank you. And then now we go to the breadcrumbs. So remember, right? What did I say it is? It's egg, flour, back to the egg, then bread, crumbs. So get it all up on there, get the breadcrumbs all up on there, and then now we're gonna place it on our little container. So again, together, students, we do eggs, flour, roll it in the flour, next back to the eggs, right, or egg. And then first let's take out these toothpicks, because it's set and ready. It's okay, so we can take it out. If you think it not so right, don't take it out, right? And then yes, last but not least, bread crumbs. Roll it in there. Roll, Jordan, roll. Yes, roll, Jordan, roll. Okay, now put it in the container, and here they are, looking so goodity good. So we're gonna put our frying pan on the stove, pour some oil in there, let it get hot, not too hot. So yeah, Vibes fam, we don't want it too hot, because what we're going to do, we're going to fry it on each side for 10 minutes. Guess what? You can put it in the oven, you know. You can do like 5 minutes just to get it brown. 5 minutes on each side or whatever, get it a little brown, and then you put it in the oven, right, to finish it up. But today I was just like, nah, bro, we gonna just go all in. 10 minutes on one side, 10 minutes on the next side, right? And then that's gonna be us. Vibes fam, you see how them nice and golden. Cool cheese. Cheese is bursting out. Cheese, I saw you. So yes, I have a napkin in my little container, and I'm placing them on there. And here they are. Look at you go. Are you the golden girls? Yes. So guys, now for the sauce, this is the creamy and cheesy Dijon mustard sauce. So here to my little saucepan, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of butter. And then I chopped up a little onion. It's really it worked out to be 2 tablespoons of minced onion. So add that to it, give it a nice little stir. And then I'm gonna add, so you know, let it saute a bit. Then I'm adding 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. Yes, minced garlic. And give it a mix. And then next I'm gonna add some, over here we say it's single cream. If you have the double cream, that's fine, it's gonna do the same thing. But in America and Jamaica, I think it's heavy cream. But you know, that all-purpose cream, that one that you can add to your food, all your food, and it just make it so yummy and good. So that is 1 cup of that, right? And then allow it to come to a little boil, and then we're gonna add 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese. Ooh, 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 you are looking so good, delicious already. Looking so good, good, good. Creamy, creamy. Remember on Sunday when creamy would come? The chuck. Creamy, creamy, creamy. Okay, and next we're adding 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard. Guys, guess what? Taste. And now I'm adding a little pinch of salt and a little black pepper. Taste as you go along to see if it's how you want it. And then if you feel like it needs more mustard, add more mustard, right? Yeah, taste as we go along. So this is it all done. Woo, good, good, nice, 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 and nice. Step to the front of the line. You look good. You look good. You look good, 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 good. So yes, here it is. Oh, oh, come out, cheese. Oh, you bursting out. You know I had to call in hubby for the cut because I don't be doing the cut right. Yeah, cheese, cheese, cheese. What a cheesy cheese, cheese. Woo! So Vibes fam, here we have it. Here we have it. Big up to my sister for saying, hey, you need to do this recipe. Come true, look good body. Chicken looking so juicy. Looking so juicy. Vibes fam, I'm telling you, this recipe is everything. All that. Oh, look, pan it. Step to the front of the line. Step to the front of the line. You look good. You have camera body. You have from your head to your toe, well seasoned, golden brown. Who can talk to you? Nobody. Vibes fam, this ready. Ready for every video live, every taste buds. Your taste buds are going to thank you. And the sauce, perfect combo. Perfect combo. I'm telling you, so good, so good. So guys, thank you so much for watching and for hanging out with me on another recipe, going to the kitchen, doing the do. And don't forget to like, comment, tell me down below, would you try this, and subscribe. God bless you.